To set up Afterpay Autopay, start by logging into your Afterpay account and navigating to the Settings or Payments section. Here you will find the option to enable Autopay, which allows Afterpay to automatically deduct payments from your chosen payment method on the scheduled due dates. Next, select your preferred payment method, such as a credit or debit card, and ensure that it is up to date and has sufficient funds to cover the upcoming payments. It is essential to choose a payment method that you use regularly and can easily monitor for any transactions. After selecting your payment method, review and agree to the Autopay terms and conditions. This step is crucial as it outlines the responsibilities and obligations of both you and Afterpay. Make sure to read through the terms carefully and understand the payment schedule, fees, and any potential penalties for late payments. Once you have enabled Autopay, Afterpay will send you a confirmation email with the payment schedule and amounts. It is crucial to review this information to ensure that the payments are correct and will be deducted on the scheduled dates. To avoid any issues with Autopay, ensure that your payment method has sufficient funds to cover the payments, and monitor your account regularly for any updates or changes. You can also set up notifications to alert you when a payment is due or has been deducted. In addition to setting up Autopay, it is essential to keep track of your payments and budget to avoid overspending. Afterpay provides a payment tracker that allows you to view your upcoming payments and payment history, making it easier to manage your finances. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully set up Afterpay Autopay and enjoy the convenience of automatic payments. Remember to always review and understand the terms and conditions. Monitor your account, and keep track of your payments to avoid any issues.